I volunteer as tribute. Maybe I should do a little more research. Off to a great start, aren't we? In honor of 25,000 followers, we start a new journey. Well, of course, I know some of you are going to be like some haters and be like, you don't even have 25,000 followers. Well, guess what? We're manifesting. If you didn't know, because you're new here, we do that shit around here. It's a lot of random shit and recipes. So before we get into all the shenanigans of it all, I am BSG Erica. You are? BSG simply stands for Black Soul Goals. That is our brand. We believe we're connected by the souls. And then my regulars are gonna be like, well, what is all that shit on your counter, Erica? And what is this damn journey? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'm finna tell. So to make a long story short, I was scrolling down my FB, the other girl. It was a whole lot of salt ladies making my favorite kind of brand. I don't know how I ended up on that part of FB, but I was there. And the more and more I became obsessed with it, I realized there was nobody that looked like me, pepper people, on there making bread. So as y'all know, I cook. I'm a cooker, okay? I'm not a baker. But you know what? I am up for the challenge. And at 25,000 followers, that is the thanks that you get, is that I am now a sourdough baker. Yes. I volunteer as tribute to show and have some representation on these apps, some pepper people who can show y'all that we can make sourdough too. Before we do our unboxing, if you're not already following us and a part of the family, please consider doing so. Before you leave, make sure you watch the whole thing. It's 2025, I got 25,000 followers. And here, we do all of the things to our videos. We repost them, we share them, we like them, and we comment something meaningful. Okay, so let's get into it. I hate when they send it like this so you can tell you what it is as mixing bowl. Yes. Ended up getting a cast iron Dutch oven. However, I think it's a little small. Brush up to my head. I feel like it could be a little bigger. People that I was watching, theirs was a little bigger too. My little thing that I'm gonna show you guys, I don't think that's gonna fit in here, but we gonna see. I'm recording a video. Like I said, random chicken recipe. That was the score for my bread, and I don't know how that ended up in here because I didn't came in this box. But anyway, we got our rice flour. This I guess is to make like white on top so that you can see the difference in color and the dimension when you score. Maybe I should have done a little more research because bitch, what I thought the damn culture, the starter, which is all they talk about, starter and discard, starter and discard. I thought this was a damn bag, like the damn bag of flour. This is an envelope. This is culture. Where the fuck that is? All right, we're off to a great start, aren't we? This is our scale. They said rather than doing cups and shit, we do grains. We don't weigh the shit. That's the easiest way to do it. I'm here for it. Works harder, not harder. Last but not least, we got our kit. This is the kit that you really, really need. Like, you could get away with some stuff that you really don't need, but this is it. Like, I was gathering all the different little, you need this, or you don't need this, but you could use this down the line. I didn't get all the shit that I needed in here. Also, it is linked in my Amazon storefront. I don't know if I linked my Amazon storefront in my link tree. I don't think I know how to do that yet, but bear with me. We're new to this. Not true to this yet, okay? In the starter kit, our starter jar, the band, a little cover, I guess, airtight. This is airtight for sure, so I can't open it. A bread scraper. I think this is like a brush to clean off the counter, maybe. A Banneton with that has the little cloth on the inside. This is something that is not a necessity. You really don't need this, but it came in here and I'm glad because I was gonna get it anyway. This is what you flour the top of your bread with before you score it. And it's like a little sifter, but it's like a flour shaker thing. It says you do need this. You don't need it, but you need it. Your bread whisk. I guess it makes sense. If you use a bread whisk because it's flat versus a regular whisk, which is round, you're gonna have to like dig all that stuff out. Then we got our Banneton scraper. No, spatula. Got some recipes in it. I'm gonna try some of those in there. Last but certainly not least, boom. This is what we sit the bread into the Dutch oven so that we can pull it out. It don't stick or whatnot. My Dutch oven is not this round. Yeah. Anyways, that's all of the stuff that we have that we need for our sourdough journey, you guys. Buckle up, join the ride. I'm super excited. I've been talking about this for weeks now, that I've actually decided I was gonna actually take on the journey, and I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Come back for the next video so we can make the starter, because now I'm a little nervous. This not flour that I can just put in some water or something. I thought this was gonna make it faster, and I don't know now. So I have to go do a little reading before I do that video. So come back so we can make our starter. Once the starter is ready, we can make our bread. Welcome to the family. Again, if you're new here, welcome back if you've been here before. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.